In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send PayPal money to an email address. If you need to send money quickly through PayPal, this process is simple and only takes a moment once you're signed into your account. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to do and what to check before you confirm the payment. Start by going to your PayPal account summary page. Once you're on the main account screen, look for the option labeled Send and Request and click on it. This is the section PayPal uses for sending money to other people, requesting payments, and managing person-to-person transfers. If you're using a desktop browser, this option is usually easy to spot near the top of the page. After that, you'll be taken to the transfer screen, where you can enter the recipient's email address. Type in the email carefully and make sure it's correct before moving on. This is important because the money will be sent based on the email address you provide. A small typo could send the payment to the wrong person or delay the transfer. So it's worth taking an extra second to double check it. Once the email has been entered, continue to the next part and type in the amount you want to send. Be sure to enter the exact amount you intend to pay. This is also a good time to pause and review the total on screen, especially if you're sending money for a purchase, reimbursement, or shared expense. If PayPal shows any fees, funding source details, or transfer information, read those carefully so you understand the full payment before submitting it. When everything looks correct, click on Send. This final step submits the payment to the email address you entered. After you click Send, PayPal will process the transfer and usually provide a confirmation screen so you can verify that it went through successfully. As a quick tip, always review the recipient email and amount one last time before sending, since payments can be difficult to reverse once they're completed. It's also helpful to make sure you're logged into the correct PayPal account and using the payment method you want. And that's all it takes to send PayPal money to an email address. Follow those steps carefully, and you'll be able to complete the transfer quickly and confidently.